This video walkthrough will take a look at how to create attribute groups. Attribute groups need to be created before you can assign attributes to a particular product in your product catalog. Now, there are a couple of options for being able to differentiate between different types of products through the OpenCart system. Attributes are informational only. They can be used for product comparison by customers browsing your site, but won't be used for customers trying to make a choice between variants of products. You can find that information under the Options menu, which will be covered later on. In order to create an attribute group, you'll need to go into Catalog and then into Attribute Groups. To create a new attribute group, you'll see the Insert button on the top right-hand side. So what we're going to do in this walkthrough is create an attribute group called Technical Specifications, and that's then going to allow us to create some actual technical spec attributes to be able to apply to a product. So we're going to call this attribute group Technical Specifications. We're going to click the Save button. So that attribute group has now been saved. In order to now assign attributes to that group, we'll go into Catalog and then Attributes. Again, we'll need to click the Insert button on the top right-hand side. So now we need to consider what attributes we want to have available under our attribute group of Technical Specifications. So if we're talking about a computer, we'd be looking at things like clock speed, if you hit Save, you'll notice that that attribute now comes up under the attribute group. We're going to click and add another one in. For memory, and that's also going to sit in that same group. We hit Insert again. Put in number of cores. I'm going to click Insert again to put in a hard disk drive information. So again, if we look at the way that this is now set up, under attribute groups, we've got our technical specifications, and then under the attributes itself, here's all the individual things that fit into that attribute group. And that concludes this walkthrough on setting up attributes.